All right, this will be a quick tutorial on how to appropriately turn in the live doc. So if, let's see, I'm going to the assignment here and I open up the document. I'm going to want to, of course, because I cannot edit this, I'm going to want to make a copy. If I'm a student, I cannot edit this. I'm going to make a copy for myself. Let's say I'll name it J. Elordi Laptop 3. Okay. Okay, now I have it open. This is my copy. Now let's say I want to share it with the class. I'm going to go here to share. I'm going to get shareable link. I'm going to copy this link. I notice here that it says anyone with the link can view. That's perfect. Now I'm working on a laptop. If you're working on an iPad, it's going to be slightly different. Okay? You go to link sharing. You turn on the link sharing, copy the link, paste it back here. I'm going to go back to my discussion. I just go here and I copy and paste it here. Okay, you can do that way, right? And if I post it, like so many others have done, it should be a link. I see many of you have submitted this as a PDF. That works too. The link is nice because then we can see each other's work, but you can see the PDF too. It's the same. I'm not asking you to comment on each other's work just yet. One nice thing about the link for me, say I open up Daniel's here. So I can make a copy for myself. And what I can do in here is, let's say I want to turn the color to red. I can go in and add my comments here. So does this chart surprise you? Yeah, it's always surprising when you find out that the majority of the world's Muslim people come from Southeast Asia, huge population in Indonesia. But of course, Arab culture is at the center of Islamic culture, so that becomes, they kind of get conflated. Anyway, that's a side point. This has just been a tutorial on how to submit a live doc. Thank you very much to everybody who's figured it out already. If you haven't, this should be a good help to you. So have a great day. Thank you.